welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and as you can probably tell from what's behind me, I love handbags. If you love handbags as much as I do, then I would love it if you would subscribe and leave me a little comment down below so that we can have a little chat and get to know each other better. So today's video is an unboxing. Yes, I did what I said. I knew this would happen in my wish list video, that I would buy something that wasn't on my wish list. Technically, this kind of was on my wish list, I just didn't put it in my video because I wasn't sure if I was going to get one. But I love Gucci marmons. I absolutely adore them, and if I could have them in every single colour, I would do. And I was really interested in getting one of the super minis because I kind of wanted every size. I ordered a super mini quite a few years ago and it just didn't work out. I think it was more the colour. I think they work better if you've got a nice little pop of colour because of how small and dinky they are. So when they brought out the new pastel range with the silver hardware and also the little chestnut one, chestnut brown, I really liked them, and I thought I was probably going to go for the chestnut brown. So I was thinking about ordering that, and then I went on the website one day and I saw this little beauty in the new little section that they've got. So this is the box. Obviously, if you've watched my unboxing videos before, you know that this is not going to be a true unboxing. As soon as that parcel arrives at my house, it is opened. I have not got time to set up cameras and unbox them in front of you. I'm sorry, I can't wait. I'm impatient and I want to know what I've got and how beautiful it is. So I do apologise that once again it's not a true unboxing, but as long as you see the bag, who really cares? Obviously the new green packaging, which I absolutely love. I was kind of bored of the black and white, to be honest, and I think this just makes it look so much nicer. And obviously it's eco-friendly now, so that's so much better. So let me just, because I don't want to undo the bow because I'm weird like that, so let me just take that off, take the lid off, and here we are. So as you can see, there's this nice new little dust bag. I presume this is like, feels like a bit cottony, whether this is eco as well, possibly, but a really nice little dust bag. I think it's so cute. And here it is, beautiful little teeny tiny Dionysus in the denim with the brown leather. I absolutely love this. As soon as I saw it on the website, I instantly fell in love and completely forgot about the super mini marmont. I just think this looks a little bit more special than the marmont, which is kind of what I wanted. Yes, it's not going to fit probably as much as the marmont does because this is a very structured little bag, especially even more so because it's made out of denim. The marmont one is obviously leather. It might have a bit more stretch in time. So you've obviously got the little tiger's head, which is what you always have on these Dionysus, and that is the denim all the way around with the old GG pattern on. So obviously I have taken off all the packaging just for the purposes of the video and the fact that I couldn't wait to unbox it. So it just opens up like so. There's just a little press stud. You have the long chain. What I like about this as well is that it's silver, and I didn't actually realise that I haven't got many bags with silver hardware. Most of it's all gold, so that's nice to have something a bit different. You have also, I have got all the packaging inside with all the cards and everything that it comes with. Inside you also have the little key ring to attach your keys, or if you want to make it into a bum bag. So there you go, that's the little bag. So also included in the box was this little tote bag, which I think is so cute. It's got Gucci on both sides. It's not the biggest little tote bag, but it's really cute. I like to think that Gucci have thought, you buying a really tiny bag that you can't fit anything in, so have a free little tote bag to put the rest of your items in, because clearly you can't put them in here. So thank you very much, Gucci, for thinking about us, and I appreciate your little tote bag to put all the stuff that I can't fit in this tiny little bag. But I don't care, because I absolutely love it. So let's see what we can actually fit in here. Obviously, the main thing that we want to be able to fit into our bags is our phones. I have the iPhone XR. I do normally have a case on it, but it will not fit in this bag with the case. So I've had to take it off, and then it slides in just right. So it fits in there perfectly. If I have a bigger phone, it will not fit in this bag. So my usual card holder is this one, which I can fit in. It slides in there lovely, but I can't fit anything else in, and it won't actually close. So no big card holder. If I use this tiny little one, then that is fine, and there's still a little bit of room left. So I have a little lipstick that I can fit in there. Can it stand up? No, that won't fit. Probably have to lie that down. So yeah, that's about it. There's not much else that you can put in there. You could probably put some keys if they're just loose, maybe, but generally that's all you're fitting in this bag. But if that's all you need to carry, then that is fine. This is going to be the smallest one that I definitely have ever had in my collection, and although I like to carry a little bit more, there are certain occasions where this would be great. On holiday it would be great, because you haven't generally got to carry that much stuff around with you. Travelling, tourist, you don't need to carry much, and this would be really easy to tuck under your jacket so nobody would even see what it is. You could even turn it round if you wanted, so it's not quite as flashy. And I just think it's a great little bag if you haven't got to carry too much stuff around. So I really like this one, and I may find it difficult to send this one back. So again, as always, I will keep it for at least a week or two, just to see if I do definitely want it, or if I want to reach for it, which, to be honest, I've had it a couple of days now, and I've wanted to reach for it nearly every day. I've been super excited, and I just absolutely love it, because it's quite different to anything that I've already got in my collection. So you can wear this little bag on quite a few different ways. You can wear it crossbody. Obviously it's not adjustable. For me, I'm 5'6", and it's the perfect length. You can shorten it just by wrapping it round once, and it will lie a little bit higher up on your body, if that's the style that you like. You can obviously wear it on the shoulder as a little shoulder bag, and also you can wear it as a bum bag. You just use the little clip that's inside and twist this round, and you can wear it as a bum bag. That doesn't work for me because it's a little bit too short a chain for me. Obviously the people who can wear this bag as a bum bag are a lot skinnier than I am. So it's not impossible. I just add a few extra little rings to the chain inside, and it works fine then to wear it as a bum bag. So that was my unboxing of the new little Gucci denim super mini Dionysus. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this little bag, and I'm pretty sure it will be staying in my collection because I'm absolutely obsessed with the teeny tininess of the beauty of it. If you enjoyed my video, then I really hope that you will stick around and watch some of my others and my future ones, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Bye!